Welcome to an introduction to NLP or Natural Language Processing. Natural language processing is a fascinating field of study that has its roots in the earlier days of computer science. In the earlier years of computing, researchers and engineers were primarily focused on developing machines that could perform mathematical calculations and process numerical data. However, as computers became more powerful and widespread, researchers began to explore the possibility of creating machines that could understand and interact with human language. The reason why NLP exists is that language is a fundamental aspect of human communication and understanding. By enabling machines to analyze, understand, and generate natural language, NLP has the potential to revolutionize the way that humans interact with technology. From helping us to communicate more effectively with machines to unlocking new insights into the workings of the human mind, NLP has the power to transform our world in countless ways. Let's understand the origins of NLP. The initial days of NLP can be tracked back to the 1950s and 1960s, when researchers like Noam Chomsky began to develop theories about the structure of human language. These theories laid the foundation for the development of computational models of language, which aim to simulate the way that humans process and understand language. Today, NLP is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses a wide range of technologies, techniques, and applications. From sentiment analysis and language translation to chatbots and virtual assistants, NLP is being used to power some of the most innovative and impactful technologies of our time. So, the question that comes up is, what is NLP? NLP, as I mentioned, natural language processing, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. In other words, it's a branch of computer science that aims to provide computers with the ability to analyze, understand, and generate responses. NLP is a very complex and rapidly evolving field that has become increasingly important in recent years, particularly in the development of conversational agents, chatbots, and virtual assistants like ChatGPT. Let's understand what really happens in NLP, or basically, let's understand what are the components of NLP. The basic components of NLP include tokenization. In this process, the word or sentence is taken and broken down into individual words known as token. Tokenization is a critical step in NLP because it enables the machine to analyze the meaning of words within the context of a sentence. Like in this case, when there's a sentence like, "What is your address?" with a question mark, each word, "What is your address?" and the question mark are divided into 5 different tokens. Then comes the process of morphological analysis. This involves analyzing the structure of words to determine their meaning. For example, a word cats. In this word cats, the morphological analysis would identify the root word, which is cat, and the plural suffix, which is the s in front of it. That is what a morphological analysis would be. The third part in the components of NLP is the part of speech tagging. This involves labeling each word in a sentence with its corresponding part of speech, which basically means nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. POS, or part of speech tagging, is important because it enables machines to identify the grammatical structure of a sentence. After this, named entity recognition occurs. This involves identifying and categorizing specific entities within a text, such as people, organization, locations, etc. NER, or named entity recognition, is important because it enables a machine to understand the context in which a word or phrase is being used. After these 4 steps, a sentiment analysis occurs. This involves determining the emotional tone of a piece of text. Sentiment analysis is important because it helps the machine understand the attitude and opinions that are being expressed in the text. Like in this text, we have the Philip Mignon was terrible, or the movie was whack, you were so helpful, All of these emotions are being judged on the basis of a certain sentiment, whether it's good sentiment or a bad sentiment or a moderate or neutral sentiment. All right. After the sentiment analysis, then a natural language generation occurs. This involves using a machine learning algorithm to generate a human like text response. Natural language generation is important because it enables a machine to communicate with human in a more natural and conversational way. The importance of this concept of NLP in ChatGPT cannot be overstated. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence powered conversational agent that heavily relies on NLP to understand and respond to user inputs. By leveraging the various components of NLP, ChatGPT is able to analyze the meaning of user queries, identify important entities, and generate natural responses. This enables ChatGPT to provide users with a more personalized and an engaging experience. One of the key benefits of using NLP in ChatGPT is that it enables a system to handle a variety of user inputs. Because natural language is inherently ambiguous and can take many different forms, NLP provides ChatGPT with the flexibility it needs to understand and respond to a diverse range of user queries. This is particularly important in the context of conversational agents like ChatGPT, where users may ask a wide variety of questions or make requests in many different forms. Another important benefit of using NLP is that it enables the system to learn from user interactions. By analyzing the user input and feedback, ChatGPT can continually improve its ability to understand and respond to user queries. This is critical for ensuring that ChatGPT remains relevant and effective over time. In conclusion, NLP is a critical component of modern artificial intelligence and plays a central role in enabling conversational agents like ChatGPT to communicate with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. By leveraging the various components of NLP, ChatGPT is able to analyze the meaning of user queries, identify an important entity in it, and generate a natural language response. This in turn enables ChatGPT to provide users with a more personalized and engaging experience while also continuously improving its ability to understand and respond to user queries over time. Thank you.